Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video, we are going to solve when x power 5 minus x power 4 minus x power 2 is equals to 5x power 3 plus 6x. And we have to find the roots of this polynomial. So we are going to start the solution of this video. Please give some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the solution. So as we can see in this polynomial, the highest degree is 5. So if the polynomial has highest degree is 5, we can call it as Quintic polynomial equation. Now, so our first step is to take all the terms to the sides according to decreasing order. So x power 5 minus x power 4 minus 5x cubed minus x squared plus minus 6x is equals to 0. So throughout the equation, I can see that every value has x. So I can take x as common. So what is left? X power 4 minus x power 3 minus 5x squared minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now I can write this as 5x squared as minus 6x squared minus x squared minus 6x squared plus x squared, and the rest equation is same. Equals to 0. So if I pairing out these terms, so I can write x power 4 with x squared, so plus x squared minus x cubed with this x minus x, and then minus 6x squared minus 6 is equals to 0. Now, from the first two terms, I can take x squared as common. So what is left? X squared plus 1. From the next two terms, I can take minus xx common. So what is left? X squared plus 1. Again, from the last two terms, I can take minus 6x common. So what is left? X squared plus 1. Now, inside the bracket, I can take x squared plus 1 as common. So what is left? X squared minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now, x squared plus 1. Now, this is look like a quadratic equation. So I can apply the middle term split here, or any factorization method you can take. So 6, I can write it as x squared, this minus x, minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now I can take x as common. So x minus 3 plus, and from these two terms, I can take 2 as common. So x minus 3. Again, x minus 3 is common. So what is left? X plus 2. So in place of this bracket, I can write the two roots, that is x minus 3 and x plus 2. Now, we have the values that first is either x is equals to 0. Case 2 is x squared plus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now, from this, the value of x is 0, and from this, x is equals to positive 3, and here x is equals to negative 2. Now comes to this, here x squared is equals to minus 1, or x is equals to under root minus 1, or plus minus under root minus 1. So under root minus 1, we can call the term iota or imaginary solution. So we have 5 roots of x, that is 0, x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to plus root 1, minus root 1, or x is equals to minus under root 1. So these three are the real solutions. and these two are the imaginary solution. I hope it's clear, and now you can solve this type of question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.